turn it until it's open. Back and forwards.
I don't know this is doing anything.
That's it. Now we're going.
This is so shit.
It's not done yet, is it? Did it pop out?
No, your fingers. Just finish it.
Yeah, it's probably better off you use that gadget on the outside.
Just finish it for her.
It's alright, no, keep going. You're nearly there.
Why do I have to do this?
Because it's a coconut opener.
I mean, fuck this, I'm over it.